Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna test if we can get external audio into the GoPro 7 Black. So I have a lavalier mic here with the TRRS jack, and then I have this generic sound card that I got from the local store here, and then we have the GoPro 7 Black, which does not have an audio input. It does, however, have a USB-C connection. So we're gonna try to use that and see if we can get audio into the GoPro 7 Black. So let's have a look at the external sound card. And there it is. So it's pretty much kind of like a dongle type of situation. So we have the USB connector, and then we have the output and the input. So I do have an adapter for the TRRS jack, just to make sure. So we're gonna use that. So it's this one. So basically it's going to convert it to a TRS jack. And then as far as the GoPro, let's have a look at the settings. I want to show you what it looks like when, oh, it is on. Okay. So we're going to input, output. So we have the settings for HDMI. And then for audio input, there's nothing right now. So let's try connecting this. And then we're going to connect the external audio card. There we go. So now if this works, we should be able to see something different, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to work. So as you can see, there is still nothing here. So if you want to try this kind of setup, this does not work. So this was going to be an alternative to the $70 adapter from GoPro that allows you to use external audio with the GoPro 7. So that's pretty much for the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.